In this video, we'll talk about CoolDAO, but this won't be just another news update. I'll tell you why I believe CoolDAO can be worth 1 cent in the near future. We'll go over the price prediction, the best place to buy a CoolDAO with the lowest fees. We'll include that as well. And we'll talk about a bunch of news, some burn events, the volume, Twitter news. There's just a lot to go over. Google uptrends, Google trends. What is going on? Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? What's going on? I've got a few things prepared. Let me show you. Let me see if that's opened up. So yeah, I definitely think you should watch the video all the way until the end. It won't hurt you. It will definitely benefit you. So you gotta do is just click and watch until the end. The first thing I want to start with, if you are into CoolDAO and you want to buy DDEP and you want to swing trade CoolDAO, the best place to buy code is using MEX using MyLink. It's an affiliate link. You'll also be supporting the channel, but you won't have to spend all this money on Ethereum fees on Uniswap. So this will be the first link in the description down below. CoolDAO has been pumping hard lately. It's going through a correction right now, actually a very hard correction, to be honest. But so is the whole crypto index, which is really interesting because we started in a really strong mood. The crypto index was doing just fine throughout the morning, and as soon as the US a market woke up 9 a.m. New York time, it was right here. This happened, this huge crash at this resistance area. This was a target we set at 248,000 for the crypto index. We just had it hit it, and just retraced right after. By the way, if you want to use indicators like mine, the first link in the description down below, in the comment section down below, maybe the second one. But what's wrong with code and what do I think about it? What we really need to do in the next few days is go above the 200 EMA on the 30-minute chart. This is what we need. It will be really hard if the crypto market goes down, and it's going to be even worse if we pump. And this is something that I drawn yesterday, and everyone was saying, what, that cannot happen. Why are you drawing this? Well, it happened. Dump, pump, dump. I hope this does not happen. I believe in CoolDAO long term. I hope it just pumps from here, goes above the 200 EMA and pumps from here. But I think it's going to be correlated to the crypto index. In the meantime, volume is strong at 23 mil. And they've got the marketing team has some things on Twitter. Look at this, code supply, 28% staked, 25% burn, very interesting, 9% longed, 2% locked Uniswap, 66%, general circulation 33%, treasury growth. They have some somebody has read the tokenomics and it shows. Let me see what he said, because they replied with the tokenomics and they're really pushing for the tokenomics during the hard times. 60% down on last week. Yeah, that's true. But we pumped as well. No one said anything when we were going up. I know, it's amazing, isn't it? 16% more code out of circulation every day. Long live the real code army. It is that the price goes up. Somebody hasn't read the tokenomics. Yeah, the tokenomics for code are very different. I believe it's very similar in terms of a trend to Everrise in July 2021 with the Kraken node. It was very revolutionary for its time. They need to combine utility with it along with community. But yeah, it's definitely, I think it can be one of the top performing tokens. Something interesting that I've noticed is in an article I think you should be aware of is, why are traders optimistic despite BTC's dip to 39,200? I want to show you again the Google trends. The interest is going down for today for CoolDAO, but then the main interest for today for CoolDAO is from Belgium and United Arab Emirates. It's really cool. I believe Belgium is the only country, that's a side fact, that has a positive population growth. Cool Down token. Look at this. In Portugal, Belgium, Netherlands, United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia. So a lot of people from the Emirates are interested in Cool. Pretty much most of the interest was one day before the dump. Normally, this is something that should. This is one of the reasons I believe we are at the dip for Cool. Whenever the price is this price is high and interest is low, we can pump more. But when price is high and the interest becomes high, this is where you gotta sell. When price is low and interest is low, look at the interest. It's really low. It hasn't updated. It's not at 0. But it was 11, 16, 16. It might go down right now. If it goes down, this is where you want to buy in my opinion, right? Because we've seen that with the crypto fear and greed index, whenever we get to 20, statistically, you can see every time we went to 20 in last year, we pumped. Look at this. It can go to 10, right? You shouldn't leverage your positions, but if you can hold, you're very likely to be profitable. Something else that was this article, and I wanted to actually go through it. For the first time since 16th of March, Bitcoin's priced them below 40K on Monday. 16th of March was a month ago. They're actually saying that as if it was a long time ago. The free fall was bound to happen, and for BTC to let go of its crucial 42K support level. At press time, however, things seem to look slightly improved. Yep, we were actually going up. It was supposed to be a green day. In fact, the RSI 2 had crossed the mid mark and was hovering above 50 at the time of press, indicating the gradual change in sentiment. It wasn't that bullish, to be honest. Crypto's face finished his stream. He made so much today again. He was short Bitcoin, I believe. Pink and ET a little bit more light. That should be a little better. I think he was short Bitcoin because he was up. So yeah. Where is it heading next for experts? The same experts that called 100K in 2021. Let's see what they're saying. Total BTC options change. However, the sentiment has started to flip. Yeah, I don't really care about the sentiment that much because, again, I'm buying when other people are selling. This is what big traders do. Big whales do as well, from what I've noticed. Whenever the money flow is red, they wait for the biggest dip and then wait for money flow to curve up on an indicator like markets. For example, let me just give you an example. You go to the 1 hour chart, just a small example. Whales will pretty much buy here as soon as we curve here. So that would be, I'm just showing you a random place in history, would buy here. There was a bump and then a dump. This probably isn't the best place in history. They would also buy, statistically is the right place. They would also buy here as soon as it starts curving to green. And we pumped a lot after that. This is just the crypto index, right? Sometimes you can be wrong. They would also sell pretty much here, right after this pump. Also sell here, maybe even here. As soon as they see the high, they would sell. Even go short. Here is a buy here. They wouldn't sell here, but yeah, here they would. So this is basically how traders, institutional traders trade. I also have institutional charts because I'm sponsored by this great company with their power indicators. So yeah, really hope this video was helpful. Keep in mind that I didn't beg you for a like. The reason why I don't beg for likes is, and I decided not to do that right now, was I respect your time in your decision, and I'm very grateful that you spent like 9 minutes so far watching this video. My job here, and I've recorded yesterday for 14 hours. Today it's well over 12. You can see it was dark when I started recording. It's dark again. I've been recording the whole day, and it's for you. I want to bring you up to date with all the latest news. So if you subscribe, you'll learn about them. Something good is that well, man, I need to get some sleep. This video is not financial advice.